EWI, I feel like, is a really unique company in our industry. There are a lot of different kinds of environmental consulting companies. There are a lot of different environmental field services companies, even environmental drilling, and our company does all of those things. We decided to change to Vantage Point, another Deltek product, felt relatively seamless. At the same time, unfortunately, learning that Ajira was quite robust and could have probably done everything that we needed. But Vantage Point, with its cloud-based system, has really transformed the way that we think about a successful project. No longer are we just looking at revenue, we can look at project costs in real time and change our strategy towards that particular project, turning it away from a stinker into a winner, and really being able to see that real-time data exchange has led to an overall project profitability increase of 8%. One of the key components of our EWI culture is a phrase that our CEO says, and it's not a unique phrase, but it's get stuff done. And we really work really hard to model that within our whole company. Vantage Point has definitely helped us be able to get more stuff done. One of our service lines is emergency response, which means that there is no planning, there is no boilerplate or budget. It is just someone calls and there is a need. So with a thing like Vantage Point, now we have a repository for all of the chaos that can come with an emergency response. Now we have a project number that we can give to our people that are out in the field, and they know how they can get their data entry put in for all of the assets that they were using while they were there. And then we can track the profitability of that emergency response and get that invoice out to the client in a timely way, because a lot of emergency response clients have very quick turnaround times. So just being able to have this really great single source repository for the chaos has been really instrumental for us. One of the also really robust features that we've appreciated in Vantage Point is the reporting capabilities that it has. So we had always wanted to run and look at our utilization percentages. We'd wanted to run and look at our project profitability. And now we've actually combined those two things into a singular weekly report that we send out company-wide. The amazing thing about this product is that it's not just the utilization of the whole company. When you have 300 employees and 1,500 active projects, looking at everything all together is less helpful. Also with EWI, we are going to be expanding into 2 new markets this next year, probably going to be bringing in a new service line within the next 18 months. So it's exciting, it's growth, it's change, it never stops, and we are excited to be partnering with Vantage Point to really help us continue to grow along all of these new service lines. My name is Katie Wendt, and I am a proud member of Deltek Project Nation.